Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving with your loved ones and you guys get to eat some fire food. Right now we are headed to a Cars and Coffee. Let's hit the road. Cow, look at this shit. God damn.
Hey, listen up, listen up. First and foremost, thanks for everyone.
Riding out here with the fucking 40 mpg damn daily driver, bro.
Man, I come 2 hours away, man.
Yeah, we out here to function though, yeah?
Yes.
We out here. I'll just wait. I don't know who's here racing, who's just passing through. Huh? All right. Well, I was gonna race this guy in the back, but I mean, I don't know who I'm racing. I just line it up. There are just way too many specs. It's not even moving. I'll try to run something fast, bro. Huh? It's K turbo. K20 turbo. Yeah. Damn. What's up, fam?
What up, baby?
What's good? What's good?
What's up, man?
Yeah, man. Too many goddamn.
shit.
Hey, what is that? Freaking Nintendo Switch?
Yeah.
What the heck?
I'll put it on the way here.
Got my nephew out here editing his page.
Popular videos.
And I want to thank a lot of you guys for giving my nephew some love on his YouTube channel, EJ Edits. So right now he's currently trying to figure out all his homepage edits and stuff, because he realized he didn't have a homepage, so we found it, and now he's like, you're customizing it pretty much. Yeah. So I'm out here at my sister's house, and we're gonna spend Thanksgiving out here. So I just brought my laptop with me. I forgot to bring my hard drive, so I can't edit, but I did download Left 4 Dead just cause, and I might just get into that a little bit because it's been a couple of years that I've been on this. So probably gonna play some of that, eat some good food. I mean, my niece and nephew, my sister, they're all still cooking. Noah!
Yeah, that's the point.
Giving the message.
Peach and caramel apple. TJ, why does the caramel apple look kind of weird?
It's different.
It looks like chicken tenders.
It's a puff pastry.
Oh,
And
okay.
the other one is regular pie dough.
Oh, this I had that earlier. That's gonna be fire.
Ooh. What is that?
Bro, you don't eat mac and cheese? Guys, we are back home now from my sister's pad for our family Thanksgiving. And dude, my sister, my niece, my nephew, my mother, they all cooked a bomb-ass meal for the family. And whew, yeah, heavy breathing. I am stuffed. No diddy. I figured I'd just share a little bit of family time with you guys since it is Turkey Day, and I hope you guys spent it well with your loved ones and also ate some bomb food. This morning I woke up super early to attend a Cars and Coffee, although I had no intentions. I had a bunch of friends just text me this morning, be like, yo, pull up, slide through, bring the whip. And I looked at the address, realized it was only 10 minutes down the street. So I got up, and it was like a perfect time to drive my sedan, because it's been a little while that I've driven the car since I've been busy here in the garage with the CRX, and it was nice to stretch some legs. We went to the Cars and Coffee, hung out with a bunch of friends, checked out some cool whips, and then we went to, we went to Mexico. I'm not gonna explain all of that. Obviously, if you guys watch up to this part, you guys saw a little action, but I will say though, we need less spectators. Anywho, it is 46 degrees right now. It is 9:30. I'm gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy a little bit of Cars and Coffee, a little bit of family time. If you guys did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around for more wagon update, because I'm gonna jump back on it here soon, because the CRX is nearly completed. If you guys want to stick around for some wagon content, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.